Once upon a time, the road was clear, the car was rolling, my thoughts were light and alive. Forests and meadows, nature was full of color. But something was waiting, it was in my heart. Oh dear, you were like a dream, with horns that shone in the sun. I stopped time, but you ran away. Only your eyes remained in my memory. I wanted to catch different pictures, but such moments are like the wind that runs up for the fall. My hands tremble while you escaped. I was left with only silence. Oh dear, you were like a dream, with horns that shone in the sun. But you ran away. Only your eyes remained in my memory. And now I sit thinking about it, how nature disappears, how moments slip by, the deer and I, paths crossed, but my